Welcome to the Pure Performance Cafe. May I take your order?
Yes, I would like a shot of Pure Performance, please.
Coming right up.
Welcome to another episode of Pure Performance Cafe. I'm happy to be back in Linz again in our office, and I bumped into my colleague Harald. Harald is our IoT specialist, technology leader, evangelist. Harald, and you actually told me, well, Perform is coming up in a week and a half, and there's some really cool stuff you do at an IoT breakfast. Can you fill us in? What's that all about?
Right, yeah. Well, first of all, very pleased to meet you here in Austria, Andy. So even though it's winter here, I think you're feeling it warm because it's cold over there, right?
Yeah, it is.
Yes, but you mentioned we have Perform in 2 weeks in Las Vegas, our annual conference, and we have some very cool stuff around IoT to show. And we're going to have that IoT breakfast where we want to show you some new stuff that we have together with AWS around edge processing. So as we see, a lot of processing and compute power is moved from the cloud, from cloud data centers to the edge, so to the field, into smart devices. We see more and more requirements of monitoring there, and we want to show you something that's going on the one hand, on the AWS side around Greengrass, around Snowball Edge, so new stuff from their side, and also new stuff from our side, from Dynatrace, on how to monitor that properly and how to manage this new complexity that we create into IoT environments.
Wow, that's pretty cool. So some of the terms that I just heard, Greengrass, right, a new service from AWS.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Then the computation power is moved to the edge, so we're moving stuff out to the devices. Obviously, that needs monitoring. So I'm sure we have some type of agent, something, or some library that we can then
we have our one agent that has proven its power in many use cases, and we are using that now on these edge devices to monitor Greengrass and monitor logic that's processed there. And the cool thing is, as we saw in recent years, where monolithic applications are split into microservices. Yeah. We see something similar here, where actually a big data center is being split into micro data centers.
Yeah, because leveraging kind of the computation power that is out there on all these devices, right?
Absolutely.
But obviously that means monitoring is essential, but obviously in a completely different scale, right? I mean, there's like millions of devices out there.
Millions of devices out there spread all over the world. Yeah. So you don't know where they are connected, how they are connected, and if something not working, there is no more chance to monitor that manually. So you need a smart monitoring system with auto detection and automatic scaling here, and also all of these artificial intelligence that we have in Dynatrace, where we automatically detect a healthy state of the application or the environment and automatically detect outages and violations of baselines that we can.
That's pretty cool. So now, as a reminder for folks that are going to perform or people that have not decided yet, you're going to host the IoT breakfast on Wednesday from 8 to 9 o'clock in the morning.
Right. So it starts at 8 and we will be finished at 9 to make everyone
You're ready for the main stage.
Ready for the main stage,
exactly,
right?
Yeah.
So actually, if you're interested in that, I would be happy to invite you and see you there. Please register, as the seats are very limited. Yeah. Send us an email, just iot@dynatrace.com, and just put into the topic register for IoT breakfast and let us know how many people you want to bring with you. Yeah. Happy to see you there.
Cool, awesome. Also, Wednesday, 31st of January, at Perform from 8 to 9 o'clock in the morning, IoT breakfast with Harald. And
Ian from AWS.
And Ian from AWS, perfect. And send an email to iot@dynatrace.com. See you there. Awesome. Thank you.
Thanks.